Welcome back, guys, to another episode of the Ranger 363V restoration. This week is just going to be an update video. I've been really busy at the shop, which is really good, and we also have a newborn baby, which is also very good, so just not a lot of time to get out here in the garage and kind of work on the old boat. But what I did get done this week is I remade the console panel here, and I found some acrylic at the back of the shop that we use for some center console boats. And what's nice about the acrylic compared to like Starboard, which is high density polyethylene, is when you engrave acrylic, it shows up, and then I wipe it all over with my greasy fingers. So probably what's next is I'm going to go and cut out all these holes and then install everything to make it seem like I'm actually doing something and give me some false hope that I'm moving forward. Then it's the wiring harness. That's another reason why things are taking so long. Once I get some wire in, we're going to build that up and then run everything back here, get some power, and wire the bilge and aerators. And this boat did have some circuit breakers. We're going to maybe, put like a I can't remember the brand name right off the top of my head, but a power switch, on-off switch, a Perco switch, and we'll also be running. This will probably happen first because I do have some of this. Is new wires for the trolling motor. Just what you could even do is put a ring terminal on one end and then like zip tie them together and then drag them to the front of the boat. Lots of ways to get wires to the front of the boat, which I will show you. I'm gonna start giving you guys some more in-depth content. Very nice individual, kind of giving me some pointers, and I agree with everything he said. So we got that. We got the wiring harness, and one thing I need to do about the wiring harness is I need to figure out all the accessories I'm going to be wiring up, because there's no point in running like 10 gauge wire for a 12 gauge accessory just to keep weight down, cost down. So I also have to plan all that out, and I also have to plan out a panel for in here. So the original one sits right here, and I think it's fine, but I kind of want to do something that sits like this. This is obviously a little bit oversized, but the reason why I kind of want something like this is because it's angled and it's pointing kind of more up towards you, and a little bit better visual. But my issue with this is, I don't know if you can really see, there's not like a lot of like flat area. Like the minute it comes up here, we got a contour, and so we get this like big gap. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do about that. I do have a 3D printer. Maybe I can 3D print something, but like measuring this all out might be a pain in the butt. So I'd love some comments down below. Do you think I should just not worry about it, just put a panel here, or put a panel across? And if you guys say put a panel across, maybe give me some pointers on what to do about this gap contour. Maybe put like a gasket, or like those kind of the things that go around your door to stop the air from coming in. I don't know. Someone's gonna tell me that I'm an idiot for not knowing what that's called. But anyways, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the boat project this week. Like I said, I'm sorry that I didn't get to it. Just super busy, but I'm planning on getting a lot done this week. Gonna be working on this console, getting all this installed, and then also probably running some trolling motor wires, because that's pretty simple. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and see you next week.